Introducing Vinci, the first smart headphones that understand you. It goes way beyond just playing music. Vinci is a smart on-the-go device controlled by your voice and powered by AI technology.
Hey Vinci, play Psych Rock.
Playing Tear Wagon by Hello Ocho.
With Vinci, all you have to do is ask. It is powered by far-field voice recognition software.
Hey Vinci, what's the weather looking like tonight?
Clear skies and 85 in Atlanta.
Vinci syncs across your different platforms so that it can update you on your schedule and notifications and anticipate your needs.
Also, your usual connecting bus is running a little behind. Would you like me to find an alternative route?
It's okay, I'll just take an Uber.
Of course, calling an Uber to King Memorial Station, estimated arrival time 12 minutes.
With Vinci, your headphones are now your personal assistant, your search engine, your phone, and so much more.
Call from Brian Campbell.
Thanks, Vinci. Go ahead, put him through. Hey, Brian. Did you decide on flowers for the reception? Okay, yeah. That shouldn't be a problem. Thanks. Bye. Hey, Vinci? What's a protea?
A protea is a genus of South African flowering plants, also called sugar bushes.
Okay, Vinci. Sounds like I need to visit a specialized flower shop. Are there any nearby?
Patricia's Imported Perennials is 3.1 miles away.
Awesome. Can you direct me there?
Head east on Pine Street toward 99 Centennial Avenue.
Vinci's location-based services means that you're receiving relevant local recommendations without lifting a fingertip. Vinci is the perfect companion. It learns from your heart rate, activity, and preferences to better understand and suggest the perfect song for the moment.
Hey Vinci, what's my average running speed and heart rate?
Your average running speed is 5.2 miles per hour. Heart rate is currently 110 beats per minute.
Okay, Vinci.
Vinci's local storage and 3G coverage means you don't have to carry your phone. It's just you and Vinci on the go.
How about I play your workout playlist from Spotify?
Perfect.
Vinci's running mode helps keep you safe by transmitting external noise over your music.
Please activate running mode.
Ain't no use in sitting wonder why, babe.
Not only does Vinci sound great, its 3D sound recording technology captures and reimmerses you in your favorite audio activities.
Ain't no use in sitting wonder why, babe. I'm on the other side of the road.
The more you use it, the more it learns from you. Vinci makes intelligent recommendations based on your activities, listening habits, location, and preferences.
Hey Vinci, is Oyaki still delivering?
Yes, for the next 45 minutes.
Perfect. Place my usual order.
Done. There is a new episode of This American Life. Would you like to listen?
You know what, Vinci? It sounds perfect.
With wireless charging and long-lasting battery, you can be sure Vinci will be there from the second you get up till the moment you go to sleep.
Hey Vinci, good night.
Good night.